Hi everyone, let me show you how quickly and very easily you can set up conditional visibility for your fields or maybe a group of fields using the visibility filters in BreezyBit forms. I created a test form in my BreezyBit application here in our Salesforce org. So how we can do it for any field on the form, if you can set conditional visibility, basically if you want to make the field conditionally visible on the form, we can use the visibility filter settings on the right side. So when you select any of the fields, it will automatically open the field properties on the right side for that field, and you can set the visibility filters. So for example, let's say I want to make this account site field visible on the form only when the account name is a certain value. If I want to do that, the only thing I need to do is really quickly, I can click on the account site. So the field properties are open on the right side. I just need to go to filter, visibility filter settings and basic visibility filter. And here I select, okay, there are two objects on this form I'm using, account and contact. So I say from the account object, when the account name equals Hakan, just as an example, make this field visible. This is my only condition. If I want, I can add actually as many conditions as I want. I can say, okay, not just when the account name is Hakan, but also the account source is this or something else is that. Then I can customize, I can add any custom logic with and or ors in different ways. I can easily do that. But just to show you, I'm saying when the account name equals Hakan, make the account site is visible. Otherwise, don't make it visible on the form. So I set it up. If I go to my form right now, as you see, account site is there normally. But if I just do this, refresh it, oh, there was a pre-fill here. So as you see, when the account name is not Hakan, the field is not going to be visible anymore. If I set something else, it won't be visible still. But if I make it Hakan, then the account site is going to be visible on the form. So it's really this easy and quick to set visibility filters on the fields. In addition to this, we also have the group box element. And if you want to make certain fields in a group box, let's say I want to say this is for personal information. I have the name and last name fields here, for example, and I want to make the whole group of fields visible or not visible based on, again, the values on the form. So what I can do here is I can change this to, I can just select the group box, the whole group box, and use the visibility filter here. And I can say, let me just, keep it simple and account name equals, this time, let's say test. It's going to be visible only when the account name equals test. I do that and I refresh my page. My account name is normally Hakan. As you see, the account site is visible, but the group box is not visible. So I can make this something else. The account site is not going to be visible. And if I make this test, in this case, the whole group box is visible. But if I can make it Hakan, the account site is visible. So you can connect this to, again, multiple fields. You can make some really, use really complex logic to make things conditionally visible, either group of elements, group of fields, or individual fields. You can do all of those things. And in addition to these, actually, if you have something very super complex, you want to make some things visible based on some other objects fields that are not even on this form, actually, we also have the advanced visibility filter. And for that one, you need to use, actually, you can create some classes And you don't need to do it yourself. You can reach out to us if you don't have a developer, for example, and if you need help with that. And again, 95% of the cases, you can handle anything that you need using the basic visibility filter. But if you have something super complex, complicated, you can reach out to us and we can help you create an advanced visibility filter based on your needs as well. But this is how the conditional visibility work on BreezyBit forms. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.